Remember I said some of these coffee recipes be nasty and you got to do a little bit of trial and error? Let me show you how I figured out how to make sure my creamer is doing what it needs to do every time. Now, of course, we got all these options. We just upgraded and got us the squirt bottles, and we got all these different flavors, and it's some that you don't even see. But today, I took the suggestion from Ash, I'm going to tag her, to use the Nescafe Gold Espresso to make the brown sugar shaken espresso. So every time I go to Dunkin' Donuts, I love that flavor. And so when I saw the brown sugar cinnamon syrup, I was like, oh yeah, we got to get that because I saw Ash's recipe and we're going to have to make something shake. Now, this is my first attempt at it. I use the Nescafe Gold, but sometimes I add the Nescafe Ice Roast to my regular coffee recipes just when I feel like I need that little extra boost of espresso. Now, the recipe is going to tell you that 1 tablespoon equates to 2 fluid ounces of water. That's an espresso, and then an Americano is 8 fluid ounces. We did 8 fluid ounces, but we did 2 tablespoons. And then we pretty much followed our normal process, but I did something different today. So if you feel like your creamer ain't adding the appropriate flavor to your coffee, that's what you need to do. So you're going to mix heavy whipping cream with one of these flavor syrup options. And then because this is a brown sugar shaken espresso, I put a little bit of the light brown sugar in there as well. You're going to froth it up with your frother, and that's what you see on the top. So it is going to go into the drink, of course, but then some of it will kind of float to the top. And then, of course, we topped it off with some sweet cold foam. And then, of course, we did the caramel syrup drizzle, but it has kind of disappeared. Let's try it to see what it tastes like. Yeah, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.